Hello everyone. In this video, we have to create a login page to login for a website. Here we have to place two inputs like email and password. Here we place a H1 element called login system and small element H2 element login for the new user. First we have for new user you have to place sign up button. And for existing user we have to place login button. First of all we have to open the VS Code. In that we have to create a folder called tutorial. In that folder, we have to create another folder called login system. In that folder, we have to create a file called server.js. It has to run the server for the website. First of all, we have to open the terminal in the tutorial login system. In that terminal, we have to install some npm packages called express package and npm init-y package to run the server. After installing the packages, we have to create two files called package log.json and package.json. Now we have to open the server file and we have to place constant express equal to required. In the parentheses we have to place express and path equal to what also required, and we have to create a UUID version 4 equal to required UUID in constant router equal to required and the router path dot slash router. Later we have to create the folder router. Likewise, we have to create the server. In that, we have also create a server local host for the server 3000 is the server address. To open the server, we have to click and press control button. Now we have to create another file in the same folder called header.ejs. Here we have to press exclamatory button and press down. In this process, we create a doctype HTML tag. Here we have to place the title. This is the syntax for Express.js. Now we have to create another file called base.ejs. Here base.ejs, we have placed the header element in Express syntax. Here the H2 element font with in this folder we have to create this H1 element login for the new user and H2 element login system. We have to create a form element for router login. Here to consist two inputs for email and password. In place folder email and password, it must require element in the end. Here we have to create a button for submit and sign up button and for another file. Now we have to create another file called footer.ejs. In that footer.ejs, we have two elements for body and HTML. Now we have to create another file called router.js. That router.js, we have to place constant express equal to required express and router variable constant equal to express dot router. Here we have to connect this router to the Firebase API. This is a documentation for the Firebase. Here we have to place the key for the Firebase, key of the Firebase. Now, this syntax shows login for existing user. The syntax shows login for the new user, sign up for the new user. If the user consist an account, sign up, he does not create any account, create a new account for the user. At the end, we have to place module.express equal to router to avoid errors in the server. Now we have to create another file called signup.js for the sign up page. Here we have to press the exclamatory button and press down to create a Doctor HTML tag. In the title, we have to place sign up in the body element. We place sign up successfully in H1 element. Uh, you have to place any CSS for this file to make the page much attractive. For login page, we have to create another file called style.css. In the style.css, we have to import a URL for the font from Google Fonts. We have to paste the URL here and the font family, background image, background size, background repeat equal to no repeat. And you have to place the padding, all these. In that same file, we have to create another file called assets. In that assets, we have to import the images which we have to keep as background to the your login system. Let us check this work or not. Go to the login system file, open the terminal. Here we have to type npm space start. Now our server is start. Let us check our this works or not. Go to the file, go to the login system. We type email abc at the rate of gmail.com and password 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. Click login. It shows user is not found. Please sign up. This shows that the user doesn't connect any account, so we have to sign up. So sign up successfully. Let us check that data is stored in Firebase or not. Open the Firebase. Here we have to find the data of the user, email and password. In this way, we have to create the login page for any website. Thank you.